Bittu TV.
Hey! Whoa! What was that? You got hiccups. Bittu, did you again eat your snacks too fast? I didn't mean to. But what are hiccups, Mama? And why do we get hiccups? I hear they happen when we drink or eat too fast. Oh, but why do we get hiccups? Ah, time to meet the hero and sometimes the troublemaker inside our body. It's called the diaphragm. What? It's a muscle right under your lungs. It helps you breathe in and out all day, every day. But when you eat too fast or drink too quickly, like Bittu just did, hey! Your diaphragm gets annoyed and goes boing. It pulls down fast. That sudden pull sucks in the air super quick, and when the air hits your voice box, so that's where it comes from. So how do we make it stop? Well, they go away on their own. But for faster results, you can try holding your breath or drinking water slowly, just like this. Oh, it's gone. But Mama, Nani says we get hiccups when somebody is missing us or is talking about us. Maybe she's right too. A little science, a little love. Let's test if more chips can bring hiccups back. Hey, those are mine. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.